Right now I have Toyota Premium of 201. This vehicle has a problem with check engine. When you're driving, when you accelerate, the check engine pops up and it loses power. So today I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. According to my diagnostic machine, the main fault code is P1656, which is oil control valve circuit band 1, meaning it has a problem with VVT sensor. So this is what we call the oil control valve, which is the VVTI sensor. So we are going to replace with a new VVTI sensor. It normally helps when it comes to advanced timing. It controls the camshafts when you rev at a high speed. So this is the old VVTI sensor, this is the new VVTI sensor. So we are going to replace with the new one so that we eliminate the code P1656. So that is the old one, this is the new one. The code P1656 is caused by three things. The first thing is oil control valve sensor, which is the VVTI sensor itself. Another thing it can cause by an open circuit between the VVTI sensor and the ECU, which is the engine control module. Another thing it can cause by timing. So when you are dealing with this code, you need to go through those things. The first thing, VVTI itself. Number two, the timing of the engine. Number three, the open circuit between the VVTI sensor and the ECU. I think right now we are done installing another VVTI sensor. So the next step, we need to make sure everything's intact the way it was before. Then we are going back so that we clear fault code from the system. Right now we have cleared the code from the system. Let me clear again. There's no any fault code. Let me read. Read the fault code. So there's no any DTC. So I think right now we are done. Let me try to start the vehicle. See, there's no any check engine on the dashboard. The ABS is blinking because of the scanner. So I think everything's okay. Let me remove the OPD2 from the system. Let me start the vehicle. See, right now everything's okay. So the main problem was the oil control valve. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.